First, make sure your Lorex app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play on your device and check for updates. Now, open the Lorex app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the Live View or Cameras section to see your camera tiles. To rearrange camera tiles, long press on the tile you want to move, then drag it to its new position in the grid and release. Your changes save automatically, allowing you to prioritize the cameras most important to you for better monitoring. This customization helps you optimize your security camera layout for optimal monitoring. Beyond simply reordering tiles, the Lorex app offers advanced customization options. Tap the menu icon, usually 3 dots, to switch between different view types. You can switch between grid views like 2x2 or 3x3 layouts, tailoring the display to your preference. For further organization, you can group cameras into custom folders or scenes. Access the Edit mode, available in app version 5.8 and later, to hide unused cameras, rename tiles, or customize notifications for each camera. These arrangements sync to the cloud if enabled, ensuring consistency across all your devices. Taking the time to customize your camera views will improve efficiency and your monitoring experience.